Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to do a quick video, just basically it's another video alongside my Transit Custom air horn installation. I just wanted to take a minute just to run you through the circuit diagram and obviously how I obviously laid out my wiring and everything for the installation. Now I didn't really go too much into it in the main video for obviously how to fit. I just got the wiring in and got it all done and showed you what to connect where, but sometimes it can get a little bit gumped, so I thought I'd do this video just to lay it all out there in front of you and show you exactly how it works, and hopefully it'll make it a bit easier for you to understand. So yeah, let's take a look.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. So I just thought I'd do a little run through on how I basically wired in the air horn into my Transit Custom. Now I've done a video also on how a relay works to try and give you a better understanding on not just why I'm using a relay for this circuit, but also just to give you a good general knowledge of how it works. And yeah, it just makes things a bit easier, I guess, if you just know how it works. Now we're not going to look at the relay too much. This is more of an explanation on what the circuit I used for that air horn. This works for any vehicle, so you can use this for cars, vans, bikes, buses, whatever. It really doesn't matter, but obviously this is how I did it on this van, so you can use this for any other application. So basically, just to start us off, so we started the battery and we wired via a fuse holder. If you know, I used that little inline fuse holder. We wired via a fuse holder, we wired a 15 amp fuse. And then what we did, we took that wire then and we run it straight to our relay pin 30. And then what I actually did was I spliced off another wire and I run live to pin 85. So we actually run two direct permanent lives to pin 30 and pin 85 of our relay. Now the reason we do this is because then we can use a switched earth, which obviously we got our coil, which I explain more in my relay video. Take a look if you want to understand it. And then what we got is I got wire coming out of our windings to our switch to earth. So basically what happens is as soon as we press our switch, we then energize this coil, which then switches our arm, which sends power down to our air horn. And that is pretty as simple as it gets. So rather than switching a live and having two lives and all that, we just literally switch an earth, which makes it a lot easier. Like obviously I run my earth from my switch and my earth from my air horn back to the same point under the dash, which you'll see in the video, just to obviously make it a bit easier and make sure I had a good earth. But say for example you were going to do this on a car and you were going to put your relay in the battery box or somewhere by the fuse box or somewhere out the way, obviously you want to keep it out of the elements. But if you were going to do that, all you would literally need to do is run your earth wire from your windings up into your dash to your button, and then you'd have your press button or your horn or whatever you want to run off, and then basically wire that then to earth. So you've just got to have one wire running into your car up to your dash, where if you were to run a power supply, you'd have to take power off your battery, run that up to the switch, and then run another wire back, and it just makes it a bit more complicated. So with the switched earth, I find relays are so much easier with the switched earth, and you'll find most genuine applications now, they pretty much use switched earths rather than switch powers because it's just a lot easier. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Obviously if you want to screenshot this and just spend a bit of time studying it and understanding it a bit better, but it was more the fact I just wanted you to to run through it with you. So because obviously I didn't want to make that video too long of the installation on the Transit Custom, and I didn't want to bore you too much with all the background information, when I just wanted to go ahead and just get it fitted and get it working. And yeah, like you say, that might be enough for some people, but yeah, if you wanted a bit better of understanding, I just thought I'd run you through it. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.